Guys, right now, the next 12 hours is absolutely going to be crucial for cryptocurrencies. Right now, as we have been talking for a whole week, the crypto market has been trading in this descending triangle pattern, and we are now getting squeezed into the apex. Within the next 12 hours, actually in the next several hours, we may have a very clear idea of where cryptos are headed and if they are going to bounce up or if they are going to crash or go down more. In this video, I have breaking news and very important information to confirm all of these possible scenarios. So make sure you watch this video and stay tuned until the end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies that I make every single day. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and make some noise for the algorithm so that we can share this video with others who need this information. Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable trade alerts on all of YouTube and the internet for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now. Within my Patreon, you get my buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies. You also get my constant updates and technical analysis to let you know what is happening at all times in the crypto market. You can also message me every single day on there and even speak to me on the phone so that we can get your portfolio right and have you invested in the best cryptocurrencies out there. And also, do not forget to get your 5 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $8,000. All you have to do is create an account and deposit 1 penny using my link below in my video description, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000. We're gonna get started with the video, but what do you think Yoshi should get for Christmas? Has he been a good boy or a bad boy? Let me know if you think that Yoshi should get a present, a series of presents, or coal in his stocking. All right, guys, so we are in a critical area for the whole cryptocurrency market. We are seeing Ethereum, we are seeing Bitcoin, which are the true symbols, the true signs of the whole crypto market. When Bitcoin and Ethereum, when they are pumping, every single other coin, the altcoins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Avalanche, all of those other coins pump and follow along with them. But the thing about the smaller coins, because there's a lot less money in them, they can make bigger gains. So it's easier for them to move up faster and to make bigger gains. So what is transpiring right now is that we have been in a bearish market for the last 2 months, nearly almost 2 months. And finally, we are nearly approaching the bottom. We are very soon and close approaching the end of all of this redness, the end of all of this mess. We are finally going to start to see some green. Now, let me go ahead and show you and back up this information with real statistics, with real analytics, with real information. So we're first going to start off, look at this. So Ethereum call demand signals, anticipation of year-end rally. So what we are getting from the markets behind the scenes, the open interest of people investing in cryptocurrencies, is we are seeing that there is a huge buy the dip opportunity, that people are actually buying the dip, that people are betting on cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum in this instance. And we know that when there's a lot of open interest, which means that there's a lot of people that are buying these options, that are bullish, not only buying the options, but they're bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin in a very, very big way. When we start to see these metrics line up, it generally means and signals for us a huge bounce that is coming here very soon. So what we are seeing, guys, is there is huge open interest and that there's crypto derivatives research, which is showing a very bullish outlook, that most of the traders right now are very, very bullish. And let me show you this chart right here. So this is Ethereum, guys, all the way from August until now. And what we are seeing is that there is a trend line that Ethereum has been trading off of. And every time we come to this exact trend line, we get a huge bounce. So Ethereum is on the trend line right now. And if it breaks down below, Ethereum could see some more downside, which means the whole crypto market would see some more downside. But there is a very, very high opportunity, a very big chance that Ethereum will continue its trend by bouncing off of this trend line, which means that we are literally at the cusp, at the very edge of the market taking off like crazy. Let me show you this. This is also another very valuable indicator and information. So the NVTS is a granddaddy as far as on-chain indicators go, and it still works. This is according to Willy Woo, who does this for a living. has all of this inside information concerning the crypto markets, concerning blockchains and what's happening on these blockchains. So what we are seeing and what this chart shows us in the bottom, this is the NVTCS, which shows us when things are overbought or oversold. And whenever it's very similar to an RSI, but whenever we get out of this purple box right here to the upside, what we do see a lot of times is tops. But every time we come down to this very low level right here, it does signal huge bounces. It does signal it is a precursor for massive bounces, which effectually bring huge rallies every single time we come down to this area. So this is also another indicator showing us that we are very close to the bottom. It doesn't mean that we are at the bottom now, but it shows us that we are very, very close to the bottom, which means when we are close to the bottom, we are soon to rebound, which means we are soon to bounce up and to continue this massive bull run and bull cycle. Now also this is more information. We are seeing open interest continues to get higher for cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. And when the open interest is rising on the derivatives platforms, which means that there's traders going long, going short, when the open interest is very, very bullish, this means that we are starting to see a rebound, not only from fear, but from investor sentiment. And when there is a rebound in investor sentiment, people starting to flip bullish after being bearish for the last couple of months, then we start to also see a bounce, a recovery soon from that point. Now, being soon doesn't mean right this second or in a couple of days. Being soon can mean within 30 days or so. But I'm very confident that within the next couple of weeks, we should definitely start to see some green. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's just my own opinion that I formulated through many years of investment and trading experience. Now, most importantly, let's take a look at the whole crypto market. So again, another day, cryptocurrencies are trading sideways. There are several cryptos that are up. Terra, XRP, Avalanche, several cryptos, Shiba Inu. But most cryptocurrencies are trading sideways. Look, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're down 0.36%, 0.11%, which means we are starting to see a rebound right this minute as I'm making this video. But most cryptocurrencies are still sideways. Taking a look at the crypto fear and greed index, we are now at an extreme fear. People are very fearful. And this crypto fear and greed indicator, when we look at the line, shows us also that it is a bottom opportunity. Whenever fear gets to a particular level, that also signals that we're getting very close to the change of momentum, which right now is obviously bearish. We're going down, but we cannot go down forever and we cannot go up forever. So if we've gone down for a couple of months already, it's very, very likely that here very soon we will be bouncing up. Now, to confirm our sentiment even further, what we have been seeing the last several hours since 9 o'clock this morning, look at this. The crypto market is trading inside this exact pattern that we have drawn a week ago. Look, it's hitting these levels exactly like a ping pong ball. And we know, we have seen this many times before. Once we start to approach the apex, which we are literally hours away from doing, we can approach it right now at any second. But once we approach the apex, if we break outside of this pattern to the upside, the whole crypto market can see a fast and strong recovery this holiday week. This could absolutely be amazing. But what is happening right now is absolutely crucial for the whole crypto market, because if we go down and we end up breaking down, that means we could see another correction in the whole crypto market, another 10 to 15% correction for mostly every single cryptocurrency. And I believe if that were to happen, that we would not go any lower than that would be extremely oversold, extremely exhausted. The buyers, guys, there's still bulls out there. There's still people that are buying the dip. There's still whales, countries buying the dip of cryptocurrencies. The buyers are not going to let Bitcoin, in my opinion, and these cryptocurrencies go down much further, because these buyers love buying these cryptocurrencies at these prices because they're investors and they're looking forward to the future, the next several years. They're not worried about the short-term volatility of cryptocurrencies, what happened in a month or 2 months. That doesn't matter. Most people that are in cryptocurrencies are looking forward to not next month, not next week. We are looking forward to the next several years, because yes, we can make money in a year from now. We can most likely double or triple our portfolios, especially with my buy alerts in the Patreon. But most people, if you invest in good projects, you will be able to double or triple your money most likely this year. But That's great. That's a lot of money. But the real money in crypto is made by holding to 3, 4, 5 to even up to 10 years. Most cryptos have proven themselves for nearly a decade. And cryptocurrencies, even the slowest cryptocurrency, the slowest performing cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, has performed 230% every single year for the last 11 years on average. If Bitcoin is doubling or tripling every single year, how much more Dogecoin? How much more Shiba Inu? How much more Ethereum? If cryptocurrencies are doubling or tripling or 5xing or 10xing every single year, just imagine how much more money you will have by holding for more than just a couple of months, by holding more than just a year, by holding for several years. So that is where the real money is being made in crypto. And what we are seeing, guys, is that we're in a very critical area, like I said, for cryptocurrencies. And we are nearly approaching right now, especially for Ethereum, this resistance level. If we can break this resistance level, which is very likely, we could see a soon recovery. So this is good news, but also we must be aware of the bearish case scenarios. That means the bearish case scenario is we could at some point break down further this week, the next couple of weeks before taking off again. But what is more likely is not the bearish case scenario, but it is the bullish scenario because of all the information that I have shown you in this video, proving to you that the sentiment is changing, that people are bullish, that the market is about to recover. And this goes true for most cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, most of the good cryptocurrency projects out there. Even the really small coins are greatly affected by the big coins. When Bitcoin and Ethereum start taking off, even the really small, super small projects are greatly affected because Bitcoin and Ethereum move the whole crypto ecosystem. And if you want to find out where your small coins are headed, where your new projects are headed, most of the time you need to pay attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum to follow what they are doing. Because when the whole ecosystem is bullish, it's very easy for the small projects to pop up. Because a lot of the smaller projects are invested by retail investors just like me and you, people that have a little bit of money. And the retail investors, a lot of them are new. Retail investors don't want to invest when things are constantly crashing and going down. That's scary. They want to invest when things are pumping, when things are bullish. That's why most cryptocurrencies pump up, because they see Bitcoin and Ethereum pumping, and it just brings excitement all around the world to all investors. So if you got something out of this video, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Share this video with a friend or family member. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Make sure you follow all of my socials and join the Patreon, and I will see you all later.